The video keeps on shutting off. I don't know. I think we're getting hacked. Oh, there it is.
See, my gun's down. Put your guns down. Turn it on.
It's off. Look. Okay. Let me see your gun. It's off. So, guys, Matthew has something to say.
Guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope y'all see. We're gonna do another video in just like 20 more minutes or 20 more seconds. Guys, we're going to end the video with a great celebration. Ready?
They can't hear you. What? They can't hear you.
Stop! You're gonna get with my mama.
Hey guys, we're gonna do like a little riding around video right after this one. So we're just gonna put down all this gear.
And we're gonna just bring our guns with us, and we're not gonna have our suits with us.
And guys, hopefully that stupid clown does not come after us again. So, guys, if you were watching my video, was it on my video? Yeah, it was on mine. Guys, so if you watched my video, I didn't show the clown inside the video because I didn't want him to get more mad at us. So, we're gonna end the video here.
Bye.
Bye.